All right, what's up, YouTube? This is MYT MIC, and I'm about to show you what my yard looked like. As you can see, that's it. So, yesterday, I went out and got me some Ortho Weed Be Gone with crabgrass control. Kills crabgrass dandelions. Notice the word dandelions. Now, I want you to check my yard out. You see all them dandelions? Let's just scan. They everywhere. Let's walk with it. See all that? That's a problem right there. Check it. See all that? It's getting kind of sunny. Let's get to the shade. There's some more. So you see all these dark green areas and all these light green areas. That's basically the dandelions have just wrecked my front lawn. You know, they all over the place. Now, I sprayed this stuff in my yard yesterday, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a before and after results. It ain't over yet. Let's keep going. Let's walk all the way to this area. That right there is from rain, so I'm packing that in with soil and dead trees. But check that out. There's some more dandelions, right? And more and more. And more and more. That's my big bush. What's up, bush? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if this Weed Be Gone works. It's been on for just one day. So in another 2 days, I'm gonna make a second part to this video, and we're gonna see if all these dandelions is gone. Now, what I fear is I'm gonna have a bunch of dirt spots in my lawn. But you know what? I'll just deal with that. But by the way, you see all those dark areas right there? That's called a shadow from a tree. I'm tripping. So, okay. So in 3 days, we gonna do this again, and we're gonna see if all these dandelions are dead and gone, all right? So, watch the next part of this video. All right, what's up? MYT MIC is back. Okay, it's been 2 days since I sprayed the yard, so let's take a look and see what's happening with all these dandelions. All right, so they definitely look like they're dying. If you look at the yard, you can see that they don't stand up as straight as they were before. Like over here, this is what they would normally look like. So check this out. You see that yard over there? You can see how they sticking up, right? And if you look right here, this part of the yard, you can see how they prominently are sticking up, ready to sprout. But over here where I sprayed, where I put the cleaner, well, not the cleaner, but the poison, the killer, these things are starting to wilt. Now, my yard, unfortunately, looks a mess because you see all these dirt patches. But the dandelions definitely seem to be dying. So let's walk around and look at some spots where they were heavy. Okay, let's look right here. Yep, those bad boys are dying. There was a lot over here too. You see that? All right, so let's look right here in this area. So yep, right here they were heavy. You can see all the leaves from them in that little patch. But if you get in close, you can see that those bad boys are starting to bend over and take their last breath. So I am going to recommend Ortho, is that how you pronounce it? Weed killer, whatever you call it, whatever I showed at the beginning of this video. Definitely use it. It's gonna kill these dandelions. All right, MYT MIC out. Hey, MYT MIC back again. Okay, so this is the after. I had the before I sprayed the Weed Be Gone. during, like 2 days later, while the Weed Be Gone was working, and now I got the 2 weeks later. All right, so it's 2 weeks since I sprayed that Weed Be Gone. So let's check out the yard. Well, I'm gonna just be real. There ain't a dandelion in sight. Now, what you do see, you see some dirt patches, right? That's kind of bright. Let's walk toward the shade. All right, so let's just look in close. You notice how you don't see any dandelions at all? Those bad boys are gone. Let's look over here. I sprayed over here too. You see a bunch of shadows, but you don't see no dandelions. Let's get to a thicker patch of grass. I'm gonna just let you look. See that? That's beautiful right there, isn't it? No dandelions. Or any weeds at all for that matter. So let's head back this way. A lot of dirt where the weeds were. And I'm cool with that because that just means I'm going to plant some grass seeds and get my lawn back looking good. But the weeds are gone. Now, I'll tell you one thing that I've been doing. I'm not cutting my grass. I'm letting it grow tall. I'm going to let the grass grow tall. And what that's going to do is it's going to just protect the yard better. Now, during the daytime, this yard looks terrible up close, but at night, it actually looks kind of good sometimes. So you can see it in a wide view right here. Try not to show other people's property. But once again, I'm going to recommend the Weed Be Gone. And now all I got to do is basically just plant seeds and start my lawn over again. But I'm going to go ahead and give Weed Be Gone a thumbs up. Okay? Now, let's go back over here where I didn't spray. Okay, so this is the part of the yard that I didn't spray at all, because you see this part of the yard is pretty nice. But look up here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What's that right there? Those are the dandelions. I'm not going to spray those, though, because they're not out of control, and this yard still looks good. But over here, there ain't none at all. None at all. All right, MYT MIC up. Get you some Weed Be Gone. Ortho. Peace.